Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to check it out. How to check it out, guys, that's how many parts and sphere have been changed or replaced in any iPhone device. Especially if it talks about the hardware, how many parts, component of this iPhone, any iPhone device have been replaced, have been changed. For it, if you don't know, how can I confirm? Of course, by using one website, you can check it out. So simply, guys, I will open the Google Chrome browser, and after just you need to type in a Google Chrome browser that iPhone detail checks, and after coming here, you need to click on this link, that is www.imei.info, and click here. Just you have to enter the serial number, IMEI number, of course. So if you don't know, then just to go in a setting to a general to, of course, you will get all the information. Otherwise, just to connect your iPhone device with the help of data cable from iPhone to PC, and there should be one application software, that is a 3U tool, and while the connecting 3U tools from your phones, all the detail you will get on computer. So now let's check it out. Just I will so now, guys, here I need to enter the serial number. IMI number, of course, I can put here. So just let's see, just I am putting a IMEI number. And just I need to click to check. So it's saying that no, not a robot. I will go for check. Now see, guys, all the detail here is given, but my motive here, what is that how many parts and sphere, especially about the hardware having the replacement, hardware replacement. So see, guys, all the information is given about this, so basic information you can say it is. But if you would like to know about the hardware, just I will go in a more detail. So now I will select here parameter, this one. Now you can have see all the detail. What's the download speed, just Wi-Fi, CSD. Just see, guys, all the detail here. The camera, what's the megapixel of a camera especially, sure, of course you can. Now see, camera 12.0 megapixel, plus light is okay, it's working, so of course you can confirm it. Second camera 6.5, yes, it is a functional. So both is a functional, guys. So hardware detail, of course you can have all the information here by using this strategy. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.